Hi, I'm Yogesh and I'm the maker of Promptmonitor. I'm going to give you a demo of a platform. So right now we are on the prompt page. Here you can see all the prompts you are tracking. We're going to see a new prompt. Alright, so we're going to track this one. Here you can select the group that you had previously created for all the models. I'm going to choose new group and I'm going to select GPT 4.1 mini. I'm going to try maybe. Alright, let's choose Gemini 2.5 Flash. And here you can create a group of models that you can choose later on, so you don't have to repeat yourself all the time. And I'm going to enable web search. This will allow LLMs to make a search for relevant and newer data in the web. So let's initiate the tracking, and while this is getting tracked, I'm going to show you around the dashboard. So dashboard is where you have the aggregate data of all the prompts we have tracked in the platform. Here we can see some overall insights. So this is for Vercel. You have the visibility score, you have the average position, and the number of prompts we tracked. Here you can see the visibility score chart where you see the score, the presence rate, the top position rate, and the number of models that was tracked in that date. So you can see in 27th May we had tracked 15 models, and out of those they were at top 3 position in 15 of them. They had 100% of presence rate, and at the right you will see the competitors and their visibility. This will help you to compare where you stand in the responses. So the top competitor had like 82% of visibility, so you were definitely above them. So Vercel is in a pretty good place. Here you can see the visibility breakdown by LLMs. So you don't just see visibility score, but what was the visibility in different LLMs. This will help you understand where you stand in different LLM and where you need to focus on. And down here we have recent mentions. So this is brand monitoring. It will extract where your brand is mentioned. We extract the whole sentence so you get a context of what it's about and how the LLM is perceiving it. So you have the sentiment, so it's all positive here, right? And at the right you will see the overview of the sentiments. So from all the mentions Vercel had, they had 60% of positive sentiment and 40% neutral one. Down here you have the sources, and here you will see all the URLs, all the websites that these AI platforms or LLM, whatever you want to call it, referred to. So, and at the right you have the top sources. So this will help you with the content strategy and understanding what kind of platform is ranking higher, what kind of platforms, what kind of websites are these AI referring to. So if it's whether it's a blog, if it's a comparison, what it is and who it is. So you can maybe go to this blog and ask them to mention your website in their blog, so next time when a user is asking for something and when the LLM refers to this website, it's gonna mention your brand too. You will also see the top sources to understand what kind of website is dominating your industry. Down here we have the position tracker, and there is an airplane just flying over my house, so let's wait for the volume to go down. Alright, so we have the position here. So it's like where you rank in Google, but similar to that, it's for responses where you rank in responses out of how many responses where you rank, right? So Versal was in number one position and like in most of the responses, so their average position is 1.1.